Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Molly. I'm a healthcare business consultant. Today I am going to be explaining how to obtain an MPI and what providers need to know. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a deep dive into this video. Determine eligibility. So before applying for an MPI, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria. So MPIs are typically issued to healthcare providers, including individuals, organizations, and groups involved in healthcare services. So, if you are in the healthcare business services, then this video is for you. And this is how you're going to determine your eligibility. There's two types of MPIs. So, type 1 is for individual healthcare providers. Type 2 is for organizations or entities. And as you can see, I did a couple of pictures below. So on the left hand, that's like a copy or like a stock image of a doctor's office. So that would be type 1. And type 2 to your right is a stock image of um, a picture of a hospital emergency. So that would be like a hospital organization or entity. And to be more specific, I would say because I'm located in Michigan, so we have a few large hospital entities. So there's Ascension, there's Beaumont, and there's Henry Ford Hospital Health System. Access the enumerator. So, in order to do that, you'll need to visit the MPI website, which is nppes.cms.hhs.gov to access your MPI enumerator. So, this is an online portal system where you can submit your MPI application. Complete your MPI application. Fill out the online application, MPI application form. Make sure you provide accurate information about yourself or your organization. The application will ask for details such as personal information, your practice location, taxonomy codes, and other relevant data that's needed for the application. Review before submission. So, review the information that you've provided to ensure that it's accurate. So, once you're satisfied with it, submit the application through the MPI Enumerator portal and keep a copy of the confirmation for your records. Sometimes records and forms get lost in the sauce, so it's always good to keep a copy for your records. Check application status. After you submit your application, you can always go back and check the status online through the MPI Enumerator website. The processing times may vary just depending on the manpower, the people behind that who processes the applications, but you should receive your MPI within a few days, give or take. Using an MPI. Once you receive your MPI, make sure to use it in all healthcare transactions, such as billing and claim submissions. The MPI does serve as a unique identifier for healthcare providers, and it's used to track and process healthcare transactions. So that's going to conclude my video for today. I thank you so much for listening. I thank you so much for watching. And comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.